Welcome to Ray Rock's Playhouse.
Tell everybody, welcome to the channel. Today, Rylan has opened up a pantry in a bucket. It is on the PlayCircle. So, you ready to open it? Let's open it. So, we're opening up this. We love that it comes in a little container, right? Yeah, we're opening it. Whoa, you did it.
And I got another.
Ooh, what you got?
Look, I got so much stuff. No.
What do you have? Is that chicken?
Shit. Everybody, get some man. Chicken stuff. Now.
Wow, Rod, look at all of your play food. So this is what the bucket looks like. Here, can you make those boxes? So it has these boxes here. Yes. You like that? Yes? It says strawberry flakes. Yummy. You like strawberry flakes? Wow. Yay. Wow. What are you showing us? Oh, wow. What else do you have in there?
Right here, waiting for us.
Whoa, what is that? That is ketchup. You like ketchup? Do you like ketchup? I like ketchup. Yes, I do. I like ketchup. Do you?
I like.
What is this?
Do you like ketchup burger?
What else is in here? Oh, so much stuff in there. Oh, wow. Nice job pouring it all out, sir. And it has a nice little bucket for you to carry around. Oh, look. What do we find? Yes. It's a knife. Very good. What do we use our knife for? We use it to cut. Look at these little chips. Oh my goodness. These chips kind of feel real. Can we see them? There we go. Looks like they have like texture on them. They're not real, Rylan. So this is this. And we're going to go fill up our refrigerator. Look, Rod, it's like a cutting board. Yes.
Oh.
Look at all of that food that you now have for your kitchen. Look at your food. Are you at the kitchen now? You gonna put some food in the refrigerator? Can you put it in the refrigerator? Yes. Are you gonna make us something? That's a rock. Are you gonna come cook? Ooh, what are you making? You don't want those on there? Okay. It looks like an onion. Ooh. What is that? Onion? Ooh, that looks like some broccoli. Is it done? Yummy. Broccoli and an onion. Is it good? Whoa. Uh-oh. Oh. What about this one? This is a pot. Put that one on your thing. What's in the refrigerator? What's left? I see. I see that. Wow, orange. Are you gonna cook an orange? What are you doing, Ray?
I got some French fries.
Got some French fries.
Some more French fries. How many French fries I have?
Whoa, that's a lot.
Oh.
Ooh.
I'll put them in the pot. That's what else for. Or in a pot. Ooh. I have some.
So can we tell all of our friends, thank you for watching. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And say, I'll see you guys on my next video. Tell them bye. You ready to wash your dishes? Say bye.
Rise Playhouse.